Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I am going to review the newly launched phone Infinix Zero 5G. Infinix, a brand owned by Transsion Holdings, has been churning out a slew of affordable smartphones that are rich in features. The latest offering from the company is the Infinix Zero 5G, the first 5G smartphone from the brand.
The Infinix Zero 5G has been launched in India for Rs 20,000. The smartphone appears to be unique in terms of its design and looks as compared to the other affordable offerings in the market out there. Infinix comes with unique curved design. It features a glossy and smooth plastic finish. There is a raised camera bay and there is a seamless merging of the body with the raised camera module. Besides the satin-like finish, there are curved corners that make it comfortable to hold the device.
However, it is not as slippery as the other phones with a smooth finish. It catches the attention of others as it gleams when light falls on it.
Talking about the button layout, the Infinix smartphone features a USB Type-C port, speaker grill and headphone jack at the bottom, which is something we have seen on many smartphones. At the right edge, we have the power button that is embedded with a fingerprint sensor and it has a unique look. Also, the volume rockers are on the right edge. At the left, there is a SIM card tray along with a micro card slot to expand the storage space. In terms of display, the Infinix Zero 5G flaunts a 6.78-inch TFT LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate and FHD Plus resolution. Also, there is support for HDR10 content but it misses out on the Widevine L1 certification, which will take a toll on the OTT experience. Though videos are rich in color, the quality will be capped at 480p. When it is used for other purposes, the screen is good and produces accurate colors. However, the panel is not as vibrant as AMOLED panels. It has ample brightness to be used outdoors. There is a noticeable punch hole cut out at the top of the screen for the selfie camera. The other notable aspect is the thick bottom bezel. The Infinix Zero 5G is powered by the Dimensity 900 SoC.
In terms of photography, the Infinix Zero 5G bestows a triple camera setup at the rear with a 48 megapixels primary sensor, a 13 megapixels secondary telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and a 2 megapixels tertiary depth sensor. In terms of performance, the primary camera captures good photos with crisp details in the bright light conditions. The Auto HDR feature comes into the picture and delivers a good performance. But the shutter speed is not too fast and there could be some shake if you do not have extremely steady hands.
Moving on to the 16 megapixel selfie camera, it does not fare well and overprocesses the photos but the skin tones are not too processed, which is a good thing. On the whole, the camera performance could have been improved to make it suitable for its pricing.
During my review, I didn't find any issues using the Infinix Zero 5G. The smartphone did deliver an acceptable performance without any lag or clutter. It was smooth and seamless to switch between apps and play games such as BGMI and Free Fire. Notably, the processor from MediaTek is teamed up with 8GB of RAM that can be upgraded by another 3GB by borrowing from the internet storage space. I would rate it 7 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like and share. For more informative videos, subscribe to OverPower Boss and hit the bell icon. Thank you.